I hope you're enjoying your Thanksgiving break. Let's look in the basket and see what we're going to read. Today, I'll be reading a book called What's That Noise? Written by Stephanie Moss, illustrated by Mark Jones. One dark night in summer, there was a strange, low, rumbling sort of roar. It grew louder and louder and louder, and then it rumbled again some more. "What's that noise?" cried Baby Bunny, feeling nothing but dread and fright, though what crossed Baby Badger's face was a look of curious delight. "Maybe it's a chorus of aliens singing loudly in the sky," said Baby Badger with an excited twinkle in her eye. "Could it be a roaring lion visiting from the jungle far away, or the crashing ocean overflowing into a water park where we can play?" Baby Bunny replied, "I've never heard such a terrible noise before. The whole wide world must be coming to an end, I'm sure. What if it's a giant coming to stomp on us all? Or a huge great rock thundering toward us like a cannonball?" Finally, Baby Badger said, "Come on, Bunny. That's enough. It's no good imagining all this silly, crazy stuff." So they went into the forest to find the mystery sound. They both raised their ears and they listened all around. Baby Badger pointed to some frogs, each on a lily pad. "Listen here, this must be it. See, it's not so bad." As the orchestra croaked, one frog stopped to say, "I wish that rumbling would stop. It's been roaring all day." So they continued their search, looking this way and that, until they stumbled on Fox hitting acorns with a bat. "I love this game," said Fox with a bright, toothy grin. "But I can't concentrate with that terrible din." Suddenly, the real rumbling noise was clearer than ever, so Baby Badger and Baby Bunny both huddled close together. The noise was coming from a cave. So Baby Badger tiptoed inside, but poor Baby Bunny felt completely terrified. Bunny hid behind Badger in case they came to any harm. But when they peered inside, she saw there was no cause for alarm. Baby Bunny said, "It's Big Bear." The noise was him all along. A bit of snoring isn't scary. How could I have been so wrong? So they banged on pots and pans. They even bounced up on the bed. It took a while, but Big Bear soon woke up and rubbed his head. "Yawn, yawn, stretch," went Big Bear. The sound made all the cave walls shake. "I can't believe I overslept. What a terrible mistake." Big Bear stepped out of the cave into the bright, hot, shining sun. I've been stuck in there for too long. It's time to have some fun. Before everybody knew it, a forest party was in full swing, and Baby Bunny learned that facing your fears is more important than anything. We finally found the noise. It wasn't scary in the end. I'm so pleased I did it all with my very best friend. The end. Again, the book is called What's That Noise? Written by Stephanie Moss, illustrated by Mark Jones, and the message of the day is sometimes we hear noises and get scared, but Daddy and Mommy will keep you safe. I hope you enjoyed this story, and we'll see you next time.